Hello and welcome to this series of SIAL Paris tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to request a visa invitation letter through your exhibitor area. From the home page of your exhibitor area, click on the Badges, Licenses, Invitations, Voucher tab. You will then access the platform dedicated to managing your badges, invitations, and related services. Before requesting a visa invitation letter, please make sure that you have created your exhibitor badge. This step is mandatory before any visa letter request can be submitted. Once your exhibitor badge has been created, go to the Visa Letter section. Click on the dedicated icon and complete all the required information. Please carefully review the information entered before submitting your request. Once your request has been registered, you will be able to download your visa invitation letter directly in PDF format from the platform. We strongly recommend completing this process as early as possible to allow sufficient time for consular authorities to process your visa application. Please note that SIAL Paris provides an invitation letter as part of your participation in the exhibition, but cannot be held responsible for any visa refusal, delay in issuance, or decision made by the relevant authorities. Visa issuance decisions are the sole responsibility of the concerned embassies and consulates. For any additional questions regarding your visa application, we invite you to contact the consular authorities in your country directly. Thank you for watching this video.